Y'all jump in. Let me show you around this 2024 Traverse LT. What's up, guys? So 2024 Traverse LT, right? This one's got cloth interior. Still has your heated seats. Still got your dual climate control. Obviously, something else that's new for the 2024s is a 17.7-inch LCD touchscreen display right here. So you've still got your wireless Apple CarPlay, your Android Auto. They've got Alexa built in. Your lights are actually now on the screen. You can turn your lane keep assist on and off. You can swipe. You've still got a heated steering wheel. Obviously, the interior is completely updated. You got a nice little cubby compartment. This one has a wireless charging pad. You've still got USB plug-ins, 12 volts, all that kind of stuff. This one has blind spot alert. It comes with everything, guys. This is a huge improvement for the Traverse. When we get back to the dealership, I'm actually going to show you around the outside. Us over here at John Meagle Chevrolet have kind of nicknamed it like the baby Tahoe because it looks just like a Tahoe, but much cheaper price. What's up, guys? I'm going to walk you around the front of this, the back of it, the inside of it. I'm going to show you a little bit more about this car. So obviously, huge upgrade. New headlights, new grille. It looks like they kind of squared it off a little bit more than the previous year. This one comes with 18-inch wheels. Still has a 360-degree camera. You guys already saw what the front looked like. So let me put you in the back right here. You've got captain's chairs. Rear looks super good. So you've got this black trim pieces that come all the way around, new tail lights. You've got quad exhaust on all of them. It just made it look super sharp, super aggressive. So you've still got lay flat storage. This is actually a little bit deeper now. You still have a huge cubby right here underneath. And even though this is an LT, you still have the power lift gate. Y'all don't forget to come see me over here at John Meagle Chevrolet. Make sure you ask for Lucky. Y'all have a great day.